हो गया सुमित जी, अगला अध्याय चालू करें?
हाँ स्टार्ट करते हैं बट इट विल टेक टाइम, वो बिल्ड हो रहा है, बट आप कर स्टार्ट करिए।
चलो कोई ना, अभी इशू है, बता दीजिए। Okay, so we have just done with access point mode. Okay, there are some common mistakes that you can remember, right? And your CMake file list should have all these necessary components. And wrong ID password trying to fail, like multiple double check SSD password case sensitive. Do not try to connect over 5 gigahertz, but this should be about the station mode, not access point mode. Okay, okay. I think yeah, it was about station point mode. I think we have covered just access point mode. Okay, so I think access point mode was here. Second project 2 was the access point mode, right? And first project was about station mode. Okay, so in the first project, that means in station point mode, we'll connect our ESP32 with our home router, or we'll generate hotspot from our mobile, and our ESP32 will connect with this given ID password, right? So here, not much difference, right? The same code, same level of example we have to done, right? And this is the code available for this. And yeah, this is a common mistake that we have to keep remember. Do not try to connect with a 5G network, right? Connect over 2.5 gigahertz, like say, like in my PC I have two different networks, like wing left 5G, and most probably I should have wing left also nearby it, right? So I will not connect ESP32 with wing left 5G. I will connect my ESP32 with wing left, because it is a 2.5 2.4 gigahertz network, right? So I will give the ID this wing left and its as ID password. Okay, and do not forget to initialization of NVS place, because if it's not initialized, then most probably your code will crash, right? And Wi-Fi will give its error, right? And always try to consider that missing all the required library before it, right? Fine. And if there is any firewall blocking with port 80, try to make it open. And yep, so either you can create a new project again, right? So let me open. The project procedure was the same, to create a new project, right, as we have done in the last project. So you can create a new project for the station point mode, right? So here in the main.c, here I have given the credential, not that means this time our ESP32 will connect on the given network, right? So this is my hotspot name. I will turn on from my mobile, right, to connect with it, or I can choose any preferred network. Let's say I can connect with a router also, right? Any available router anywhere nearby, but password is a must, right? Maximum try we can set a like our ESP32 will try 5 times to connect with a given network. Okay, then this is our event handler. It will handle all the callbacks for connection and disconnection, right, and retry logic. This is important, that every time when we are going to code for Wi-Fi, we have to implement this connection, that retry mechanism, right? So here we are taking one variable as try number, right? So you can see as try number initialized with the 0, right? That means how much try it has done, and max try is a 5. So until the s try number will become greater than 5, okay, till then it will try, right? And yeah, try first time, then it will also print the number of attempts it has done. Then if callback return that it is connected with the network, it will print IP of ESP32. Then this is the same procedure, Wi-Fi initialization, but this time we are initializing into the station mode, with the configuration, and as a configuration parameter we are passing especially three parameters. One is the ID and password, second is the password authentication method, right? And also printing logs that it is connecting with the that given network, and in which we are printing connected IP, connecting ID of that Wi-Fi network. Okay, if it is get connected, printing the logs connected successfully, or if it failed to connect, then it will print connection failed. In the app man, we are just initializing the flash memory and calling the function for initialization of the Wi-Fi initiation mode. Okay, just flash this code. Okay, you can see it is trying multiple times, attempt 5 out of 5. Now it will reset, failed to connect because there is a no available network for it that we have given as a ID password. So let me turn on my hotspot from my mobile, and let's check it again. So I am pressing the reset button on ESP32. Now it will again try to find it, connecting with my network. Now you can see connected, and it is the IP address that are assigned to the ESP32 connection successful. And I can also see in my mobile that the one device is connected with hotspot, right? So this is the case. Now our ESP32 has network, has internet. Now we can communicate with the server, with other communication protocol and applications right now, because it is getting the internet from our mobile, right? In previous mode, that was access point mode, uh, that mode was local network, right? But right now we can access the internet directly from our mobile phone, and it will allow us to communicate over the Wi-Fi communication protocol like HTTP, MQTT and TCP/IP. Okay, so I hope either you can replace your main.0 or you can create a new project. I will recommend to create a new project, and if you want to find the same project, complete project, you can find over the GitHub at Altrobyte page here, with the name of yeah, station point mod. This is, here is complete code available if you are facing any issue, because sometime that given example in ESP maybe crash, maybe got crashed because of because not initializing the configuration accurately. And let me know when you have done with this station point mod demo.